Toshiba has the complete range of printing options, from compact portable products to desktop to high-performance industrial solutions for heavy-duty printing. Introducing the B-EX4T2 range, high-quality and economical industrial products delivering low running cost, helping to reduce the total cost of ownership. Ideally suited to a no-nonsense replacement of competitor estates, available in a variety of resolutions for the most diverse industrial printing applications. The B-EX4T2 range has a robust and rugged design, ideally suited to the industrial marketplace. The B-EX4T2 series are designed to seamlessly replace competitor products, using Z-mode emulation to integrate into legacy software systems. Flathead technology, left-justified media, and the use of inside and outside wound ribbons allows for replacement of aging, costly-to-operate legacy printing estates. Low capital and running costs, energy-saving features, and a range of media options minimize the cost of ownership over the life of the product. With a 600-meter ribbon as standard, you can guarantee less stoppages and media changes, combined with a twin ribbon core to dramatically reduce downtime. With speeds of up to 12 inches per second, the B-EX4T2 range is designed for demanding industrial applications. Advanced processing power ensures not only fast output, but also efficient throughput. The unique intuitive graphical LCD help desk display improves usability and prompts even the novice user to take immediate corrective action where necessary, keeping user training to a minimum. With innovative technology like double ribbon motor control, snap-in print heads and field upgradable options, the B-EX4T2 series continues to lower maintenance costs. USB and Ethernet are standard on the B-EX4T2 range. Toshiba is committed to the design and manufacture of products that reduce environmental impact, creating environmental quality standards for each product and prescribing them with the highest levels required by the industry. The B-EX4T2 is available in either 203, 300 or 600 dpi variants, allowing for specialist high-resolution printing with superior print quality. Toshiba can offer a total solution, including a range of approved ribbon and label media, consumables and cleaning products to help ensure trouble-free printing. A worldwide support network in the majority of countries provides essential peace of mind that, once installed, the printers will be serviced and maintained by experienced engineers and service staff. The B-EX4T2 series, economical industrial printing, ideally suited to the replacement of legacy competitor estates. Toshiba, leaders in innovation.